So over here you can see that I have a bunch of images right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to group them out into stacks. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select out this particular image right here and this particular image right here. So I'm holding control while I'm doing this, and I'm selecting out multiple images right here just like this. So let's just go around and select out the images that I want to go ahead and keep in stack. So once I go ahead and do that, I can simply right click around over here, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and go to stack right here and group them out as stack. So now once I group them out as stack, you can actually see that this particular stack is being represented by this particular image right here. So now let's say I want another image to actually represent this whole stack. In that case, you can see that there are 9 images, and if you were to click on this particular number right here, then this stack simply opens up. Now you can select out the image from that particular stack. So now what I can simply do is I can right click right here and go to stack right here and promote to the top of the stack right here. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that if you were to click on 9, now you can see that the image that is there on the top of the stack represents that particular stack right here, just like this. And that is how you can promote image to the top of the stack inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.